Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TROPOW lawn mower lift with hydraulic jack. There are include large lifting space. This product can be adjusted in height as required. It can be raised up to 26 inch, providing maximum space for necessary maintenance repairs and other tasks such as blade work, cleaning debris, oil changes, and more. Versatile. This lift is not just for lawn mowers, it's a versatile tool. It's also perfect for ATVs, motorcycles and other small vehicles, working better with you to solve different problems and bring you more convenience. Welded solid steel construction. This product features a welded solid steel construction that provides strong support for the mower when performing maintenance activities. This steel material reduces wear and tear and is durable so you can work with it for a long time. Safe and sturdy. The safety pins on the side securely fasten the support bar underneath, and the locking bar provides you with extra security when performing necessary maintenance on the mower. The wheels on the bottom are also made of non-slip material. 500 pounds capacity. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, this powerful mower can easily support the front end of the mower. You can easily perform the necessary maintenance work on the machine. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.